Harley Davidson has officially introduced the 2025 Pan America ST, a new addition to its adventure touring lineup. The ST model offers a unique blend of road-focused performance while maintaining the rugged appeal of the Pan America series. Positioned between the standard Pan America and the high-end CVO Pan America, the ST presents a balance of capability and affordability. While the CVO Pan America is engineered to tackle challenging off-road conditions, the ST variant is tailored for a more road-oriented experience. With subtle yet significant changes, Harley Davidson has optimized this model for enhanced on-road handling, making it a viable choice for riders who prefer highway cruising over extreme off-road adventures. Additionally, the ST model is more budget-friendly compared to the CVO version, making it an attractive option. A key upgrade on the ST model is its sporty Michelin Scorcher Sport tires, which replace the dual-purpose Michelin Scorcher Adventure rubber found on its Pan America siblings. The new tire setup consists of a 180/55R17 rear and a 120/70R17 front, offering superior grip and stability on paved surfaces. This change emphasizes the ST road-focused nature while still maintaining a degree of versatility. Riders can still expect the comfort and technological advancements that define the Pan America series. The ST continues to feature an upright riding position, advanced wind protection, and a suite of electronic aids. However, its handling and stability have been fine-tuned for tarmac performance, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride in various conditions. Another major enhancement in the 2025 ST model is its new cast aluminum rims, specifically designed to support its road-focused identity. The bike also features a shorter suspension travel setup, helping lower the center of gravity. The front suspension consists of Showa 47mm forks, while the rear is equipped with a Showa balance-free monoshock. Both suspension components offer electronically adjustable preload and manually adjustable compression and rebound damping. Braking performance has also been upgraded to match its sporty characteristics. The ST model is equipped with Brembo monoblock 4-piston calipers clamping onto dual 320mm discs at the front, while the rear features a single-piston caliper gripping a 280mm disc. This ensures precise stopping power and safety for riders navigating high-speed roads. Under the hood, the 2025 Pan America ST retains the same powerful engine as its predecessors. It is powered by a 1,252 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 60-degree V-twin engine that delivers 149 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and 123 Nm of torque at 6,750 RPM. Priced at around $21,000, the ST model offers a compelling mix of performance, comfort, and value, making it a strong contender in the adventure touring segment.